This is the Keychron B33 and BM25 wireless keyboard and mouse combo, perfect for those of you who are out and about a lot while working, but still want that quality typing experience. I've been testing it out for a bit now, and this is my verdict. Although it's not a mechanical or magnetic keyboard, it feels really good while typing. It's a bit softer than most of the keyboards I have, which I personally love. It has a nice switch for Mac or Windows depending what you use, and of course you can connect it to your computer in different way. The dongle also comes with, and it works for both the keyboard and the mouse combined. The mouse is surprisingly smooth to use, and the keyboard and mouse are lightweight, so easy to bring around with you. Remember that each key is customizable online too, and now we're ready for the typing ASMR.